Actually, mostly I prefer to watch and jot down many vocabulary words in my notebook, and you can say, you know, this notebook in my hand. So you can say like this, and but when it comes to using in my communication skills, so that time I forget everything. Why? I don't know. Actually, as far as I know, because of lacking practice, because I don't have any much practice, so that's why I couldn't consume as a proper vocabulary in our communication skill. As suppose you pick up some vocabularies while listening, while watching, while reading, and then implement in your communication skill. So that time that vocabularies will stay in your mind after a long time. As far as I know, as for my experience, I'm telling to you. So please apply this techniques, and another things like pick up some one words like a cat. Okay, cat, and then search these words along with some idioms and some phrasal verb, and mug up continuously when you get the chance to interact with people. So try to mug up and deliberately try to use particular words as idioms and phrasal verb in your communication skill, so that I think maybe you know that words will be will be I think remain in your mind. So yeah, definitely, I believe. But I'm not, I'm not able to consume this techniques, especially for building my vocabulary levels. But definitely, I will try. I will try. I think no one is here. I don't know why, but it's okay. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ask any questions if you want to get from me. So feel free. You can ask. Actually, I decided why. This is the questions why. Uh, I decided to come live. Why? Because of improving my communication skill. Even I took many sessions through video call, audio call. That time I'm very comfortable to explain my point of view in English. And when it comes, to having the conversation in front of people, face to face, so that time I get confused as a puzzle. So that time my mind doesn't proper work. I don't know why. So that time I decided, Rajni, you should go the live session as well, making the blog, because that time suddenly some situation comes in front of you, and then you have to explain in English immediately without thinking, without without making any script. You have to explain as it is. So then I decided I have to do only improving my level. Right now I'm the comfortable. Yeah, I have the very command of this language. Okay, of yeah, but only because of lack of vocabulary, sometime rarely I'm not able to express very well. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, nobody is here. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's okay.